Okay, sweetheart. Daddy's looking for the magic spot where everything connected together.
Here. Here, Daddy.
Hold on, patience with it.
I'm a little tired of holding it.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Found it. Okay. Can I have that? Oh, shoes getting heavy?
I am taking a movie of the Christmas tree and Olivia and Daddy. All of us? It is Christmas time, isn't it?
Christmas time. Mommy, I'm not wide awake.
Are you sleeping?
I'm not.
Oh, I heard Lucy, Mommy.
Daddy, are you okay?
Are you okay, Daddy? Olivia said. She can't find you.
Are you
The
nervous?
tree got you.
Don't be scared, little cow. I'm okay.
Did
Daddy, get my daddy.
the tree gobble up, Daddy?
That
Silly tree.
Well, if Daddy needed help, he'd say a Udemy, so
That's right.
he must not need our help.
Alright, I think we're getting close to
Daddy.
starting this guy up. You wanna stand back
Yay!
there with Mommy? Now stand back there so you can see it all. Come on.
Well, she needs to be in the picture, so she needs to sit in the rocking chair on the sofa.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
Daddy's gonna light it. It's gonna be really pretty.
Or it'll blow up on us.
Well, go get in the picture, babe. Oh, you need your chair?
3, 2, 1.
Christmas lights!
I missed it.
You missed it. She was looking at her chair, Daddy.
Daddy's gotta get everything
I
going.
missed it. Sorry.
It's beautiful still, isn't it?
No.
You want Daddy to do it again? Yeah. You'd like him to turn it off and do it again?
I don't know to turn it off before it again, Daddy.
How would you ask nicer than that?
Please.
Oh. Well, that's not good. Never worked a second ago.
Daddy, what is that?
We have some lights out on the top.
They're not beautiful.
Now it's not beautiful? Don't worry. Daddy will
Don't be scared, little cup.
fix it. Daddy's a man.
Daddy. You're not me, Daddy.
I'm not the man.
Well,
There's our problem right there.
that not the man just fixed your Christmas lights, Olivia.
Look. And now let's put our angel back up here.
Angel, don't run away. I want you.
She's not running away, don't you worry. Daddy's got to put her skirt down. We can see her booty.
Chip, chip. Chip, chip. Chip, chip, chip.
Boing, 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 boing.
Yeah, bouncing.
Boing, boing.
And now to burn her up.
Boing, 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 boing.
And we have a kangaroo for a daughter, Mommy.
We do.
Mommy, this
What's
is
our
for-
kangaroo's name there? Would that be Olivia, Mommy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Olivia kangaroo. Come on.
And
Boy, boy. Boy, 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 boy. Boy, boy, boy.
Would you be able to get that top light there, Daddy? Let me get a better...
Yuppie, yuppie. Daddy, what you did?
I fixed it.
What do you think, Pumpkin? Is it pretty?
Are you guys ready to decorate it?
It's decorated already. It's all done, isn't it? That's the easiest tree ever. What do you think about the tree? Huh?
He said Merry Christmas.
I'm taking your picture. Tell me what you
Come
think
on,
of the tree.
Please.
Hey, kangaroo.
Listen. Come here, kangaroo. I have to go get some more stuff, so I want to hug. Oh, Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas, guys. Look at the camera.
Ah, what are you doing, silly?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Ow!
Head boinger, no boinging.
Boing, no boing. Don't touch my perfect hair. Ah! Here. Just a little something for... Whoa!
Guess we'll have to edit that out.